Hi, so I'm going to be starting my code by using a function setup statement. And what my function setup statement does is it creates the canvas that my animation or drawing is going to be taking place in. And so I'm going to be using a canvas that's 720 pixels wide and 400 pixels tall. And the stroke weight statement indicates how thick I want my pen strokes to be. And I'm going to end my statement by putting a bracket, which basically just shows the set instructions that my computer is going to follow. And I'm going to start a new function, which is the draw function, which actually allows me to draw on the canvas. And I'm using an if else statement. And basically, what that means is it gives my computer options. So if the mouse is pressed, my stroke is going to be 255, which just indicates how light or dark the color is going to be. And if it's not pressed, then it's going to be 237, 34, 93, which just comes out to be the color pink. And so I'm going to start a new statement, which is the line statement, which is what I'm actually going to be using to make my cross. And what mouse X and mouse Y means is that mouse X is the X axis, the line, and the mouse Y means that's the line for the Y axis. And the -6 and the positive or -6 and positive +6 is just the trail of crosses that my cross is going to be leaving behind, which is going to leave the cool animation that I'm going to show later. And when I tried to run my function, I actually ran into a problem where I forgot my end brackets and I left the M's on my mouse is capitalized. And this is a key characteristic that every software engineer should have because they're gonna run into problems every single day, and you should have good problem solving skills in order to know because this is a relatively simple code, but larger codes are gonna be harder to indicate to find a problem with. And I ended up adjusting my code, so I made this pen stroke uh, darker or more defined, and the background I made my background show so you can see the dimensions, and this is what I ended up with for my code.